All right, so I tried bone-in ribeye tonight for the first time. So I took a recipe, which I'll link, and but we just took it. We made a couple changes to it just to make it more paleo friendly. But yeah, it's I overcooked it just a little bit, but it tastes really good. Plus, comes with bonus dog treats. So here's how we did it. Okay, tonight for dinner we are going to make these tomahawk ribeyes, but they're so thick we're going to do them like roasts. And what I'm going to do is I will put the link to this recipe in the description, and then I'm going to explain to you how I'm changing it to make it fit into our program. So there's just little tweaks here. We're recording this at home. Never mind the dogs. Never mind the washing machine. Stray children. You know. So first off, this is Chef Billy Parisi. So it's his recipe. Instead, I'm going to start with instead of just salt and pepper on the tomahawks, I'm going to put garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and then I'm going to sear them. So, and do the Swedish chef. But with that paste, it's gonna like melt down all over it. So we sear it, which Billy doesn't do. We're gonna sear it so it has a nice crisp top. And then we throw it in the oven for a while. And while it's been in the oven for a while, we're gonna add the potatoes. So it's all gonna cook in.
Oh, is it cracked potatoes? Is that what we're making?
No, no. Oh. Kim's here tonight. Actually, you know, the reason why we're having these is because they come with built-in dog chews.
Oh, heck yeah.
All right, for the paste that goes on top of the steak, the only thing we've changed with this is I've used beef tallow instead of butter. Like you're half in, half out. You're just kind of. So everything is as the recipe calls for. I just swapped out beef tallow and I added a little bit more olive oil because I'm not going to put 2 sticks worth of butter in here with tallow. So wish us luck. Looks perfect to me. Oh yeah. Okay, that's good.
Poor Mitchell.
I'm just gonna squat. We are not professional videographers. That's one of the other kids. Anyway, we've tasted the paste. It slaps. That's good. So we're just gonna take our paste and smother it on top of our steaks. And then we're going to throw these in at 450. The recipe says, what does it say? For 30 minutes at 450. I'm going to do it just a little bit less than that because we've already seared it. Oh, that's going to be good.
Oh, that one needs more.
Yeah. Check that out. That it's not guacamole. Boom. So normally potatoes aren't part of the reduction phase of our program. You could use sweet potatoes. In this case, I'm just using just an organic medley. And these are going to go in with the meat here before too long. I'm doing it on the same cutting board because they will cook, so I'm not worried about like E. coli or anything like that. Plus, I wanted to pick up some of the spices that we used for the crust. Got taters flying all over the place. All right, well, moment of truth. We had the potatoes. The steak cooked a lot faster than I thought it would, and so the potatoes didn't get to cook in the steak juice. We just put them in the air fryer. But let's see how this turned out. That's going to be good. So it's a little overdone for my liking, but there's other people in this family that'll do just fine
That looks so good.
with that. That looks awesome. But I think the closer we get to the bone, the better it's going to be. So
Look at that. That looks so good.
here, Andy. Listen. Camera up. Let's try it. That's good.
So good.
It's very juicy. All right.